Sydney Water has hilariously called out R&B singer Drake for polluting the city's waterways with his slipper. All right, so he threw it at a drone flying near his apartment whilst he was staying at the Crown in a suspected marketing stunt for a gambling app that he's a stakeholder in. The playful post showed the orange slipper found conveniently by the water's edge. Put it on eBay. Sydney Water invited the star to their Parramatta office to pick up his shoe and even offered him a free Warragamba slammer, which, if you didn't know, is actually code word for tap water. So there you go. Cheers to that. Warragamba slammer to start the day, guys.
Anyone ever heard of Warragamba slammer?
Never heard of it.
It's a good drop.
Yeah. Good on Sydney Water for
I think that's great. I saw that pop up on Instagram and I thought, that's fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad they kind of took the pee out of it a little bit. Yeah. Where is it going to go, though? Like, it needs to be held in a Sydney Water museum if they have one.
Sydney Water Museum.
Wouldn't that be a fascinating trip for Sam Mack?
No, they can frame it and stick it in the office. Oh, good on you,
Beautiful.
Sydney Water, for getting in.
It's very fun.
Just alongside the poo boo.
Yeah.